How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we'll be going over our K-Force 27 TIR. So when you get your light bar out of the box, you'll have your light bar going to your connection cables here, and then you'll notice a connector here, and this is to be used with our optional grand control, or you can cut this off in hardwire if you'd like to. And then you'll see your SIG plug here for power, and then you have your AUX cable here where you can hook up to 10 amps of additional lighting all off of your grand control. So today I'll be using our grand control, and again that will plug in via connector here. So I'll go ahead and get my grand control plugged in, and then I'll plug in my SIG plug to power here. And then once I have my cigarette lighter plug hooked up to power, I can go ahead and activate my bar off of the grand control. So you have your power button here, and then you have your pattern changer, so you can cycle through your different flash patterns. You can find a pattern you'd like. And then this light bar has memory recall, so you can shut your light bar off and back on, and it'll remember the last pattern it was on. And then you have your alley button here, so when you press that button, you'll see your alley lights will go to steady burn. And we do offer a dual color upgrade here to where when you go steady burn, they will steady burn clear, and then when you deactivate those, they will go back to the warning color ordered of your light bar. And then finally, you have your AUX button here where you can power on any additional lights that you have hooked up to your AUX line. Now, I did bring an amber unit with me today, but we offer these in amber, red, blue, green, and clear, in solid, half-half, and alternating. So let's go over a couple of those options. So here I brought a red-blue unit in our half-half color setup, and here I brought a green-clear unit in our alternating color setup. But again, you can get any color in amber, red, blue, green, and clear, in solid, half-half, or alternating, and you can even use our Customize a Light Bar tool if you need a specific color setup for your vehicle. And you'll notice my light bars are on different flash patterns here, but all of our light bars come with multiple flash patterns programmed in them. When it comes to the housing of your light bar, you'll notice the top cover fully encapsulates the base of the light bar for a really solid seal. And then you'll notice on the bottom of your light bar that you have extra drainage holes for even additional moisture protection. And then you'll see that you get your included magnetic feet here, which you can adjust along the slide track if you need to adjust for your vehicle. And then if you need to permanently mount your light bar, we do offer our permanent stud mount brackets and our headache rack bracket, which you can mount using the existing hardware from your magnetic feet. So that covers the features of our K-Force 27 TIR. Make sure to watch our flash pattern video to see all of the flash patterns that are included with this unit, and also check out our interactive player located on the product page. If you have any questions, give us a call or shoot us an email. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.